not impeding traffic. Impeding traffic is 30 to 40% less.
And we're finally doing the most important upgrade to a Bugatti Veyron ever. We're gonna change this final piece of silver trim right here to a beautiful modern black. Now we've got more aesthetic upgrades to come on the Veyron. Just this is the one that we can do today, because right now all of the shortage of parts and pieces and little tiny things that we need to finish our custom headlights, taillights, and intakes are currently not able to be produced or accepted by the shipping companies because, well, we all know why. So I'm gonna take this time right now. I've saved a little bit of time. Andy went ahead and disassembled this entire thing. We've got a tiny little upgrade on the door handles too. I've got those all beautiful and blacked out. So we've got the fuel and oil caps, the wheels, the intakes up there, the door handles, the mirrors, and now finally the grille. We're all gonna go black. It's gonna change the appearance of this car to menacing, right? One of the things when you see the Veyron driving, this just doesn't look that good, but now it will. Makes this so awesome is that I have a whole entire spare Bugatti body kit, and so we've done a powder coat job on this grille already, so we don't have to take it off and put it on. We can just literally take the bumper off and place this grille. I wanted to show you guys one thing. This is the most creative thing on a Veyron I've ever seen. If you look under here, air comes into this under panel and it is sectioned off. Some air goes here, some air goes here, other air goes to the brakes. All of these are different channels for the air to flow to different things. I've never seen this on a car before, and it's just such a crazy, most just odd piece of engineering, but it's definitely functional. Yeah.
It's not impeding traffic. Guys, it's not impeding traffic. Impeding traffic is 30 to 40% less. I'm literally like the most skilled person at getting tickets, you know? I'm not saying that's a bad thing or a good thing, but like, I was arrested for impeding traffic in my other Bugatti on the freeway, right? And I went through this whole legal thing of what is legally impeding traffic.